So hello, how are you all? Again with English, the first chapter, the fun they had. As we have discussed about Margie and Tommy, they got a particular book regarding. They were in surprise, they were amazed what is this thing. Something that is written on paper. And it is not anytime vanished. Oh, how it is so. Let's go further. The system of Margie's was little bit spoiled. The inspector came, he just adjusted something, and then what happened? The inspector had smiled after he was finished and patted Margie's head. Here it is page number, I think so, 7. Page number 7, second paragraph, go through it. The inspector had smiled after he was finished. Means who was finished? Inspector was finished. No, the work was finished. And patted means like this. Thap thapana we can say. Margie's head. He said to her mother, "It's not the little girl's fault, Mrs. Jones. I think the geography sector was geared a little too quick." So he told that there was no fault of Margie, but this geography sector, this section was geared a little bit more. Means a speed was automatically, its speed became high. So many, what it did, it presented more and more tests as we had gone through earlier. And Margie have to write more and print more and more thing and submit. So there was a systematic, some technical disturbance regarding the software. So the inspector came, he just made it very easy, he repaired it, we can say in other words. Then what happens? I have slowed it up to an average 10 years level. So you can see that at that time, it was just the teaching, we can say. It was according to the level of the child. Means level means how much old he or she is. If he or she is 4 years of age, then it is leveled at that particular section. If it's 5, then it is leveled. So according to the age criteria, the educational system was maintained over there. In your classes, someone might be of 12, someone 13, someone 14, someone 15, might be someone 16. So this all, it's ridiculous because a boy or girl at the age of 13, 14 has a different criteria to see the world. Mentally or physically, development is little bit low than the boy or girl of the age 15, 16. So you can understand this thing. But in foreign countries, it has been settled down according to the age. So let us go further. Those things happen sometimes. I have slowed it down up to an average 10 years level. Actually, the overall pattern of her progress is quite satisfactory. And he patted Margie's head again. And he appreciated it according to the age of Margie. Her successful is very good. She is in her, it's quite satisfactory, we can say. Sorry. Margie was disappointed. Margie was not happy with this. She had been hoping they would take the teacher away altogether. They had once taken Tommy's teacher away for nearly a month because the history sector had blanked out completely. Margie thought it was a teacher. Automatically design function and design software for a particular age. You have to be in your home, be in your room and go through that all particular scenario regarding your skill and computers. So some design courses were designed at such a level according to the age. So Margie thought she might get holidays for some days because once the machine of Tommy was spoiled, everything seems to be blank in history section, and he got holiday about sorry, a month. So she said to Tommy, why would anyone write about school? And for this thing she hated school, because daily she has to be with the school at home. But in holidays, you all are enjoying your holidays nowadays. So it creates a problem. Now what happened? Why schools are there, and this diary we got, this particular thing we got, and that is of also about school. Why this? Tommy looked at her with his superior eyes. Because it is not our kind of school, stupid. This is the old kind of school that they had hundreds and hundreds of years ago. He added loftily in a superior way, pronouncing the word carefully, centuries ago. He told, you don't like this today's school. But this school was different before hundreds and hundreds, before centuries, he told. That was at that time, means nowadays what we are going to school, like this. So it was different. Margie was hurt. Margie felt hurt. Why Tommy is shouting and saying like this? Well, I don't know what kind of school they had all that time ago. She read the book over his shoulder for a while, then said, anyway, they had a teacher. Anyway, she was reading, and what she had read? Oh, they had a teacher. They were, yes, she was reading the diary. So, they was amazed again. Teacher. Sure, they had a teacher, but it wasn't a regular teacher. It was a man. They got the regular teacher. Daily they have to go to the screen and go through all this system, whatever they are mentioning. Means one teacher controls this whole thing. But here, there was no regular teacher. It was a man. Means as I am teaching as a man to you. Like this it was a man. A man? How could a man be a teacher? You go through them. How their thinking is. Because they had never seen this thing. Because they were in future world. Means today we are in 2020. They were in 2157, you can see. How many years after this thing? Today you are having the same computer teacher. Your mobile works for you. You get the knowledge from your mobile, whatever videos the teacher are going to send you. So this is another criteria. A man, how could a man be a teacher? Well, he just told the boys and girls things and gave them homework and asked them questions. How was that man? He used to give homework. He used to ask questions. A man is not smart enough. Sure he is. My father knows as much as my teacher. Okay, yes. They were surprised. What? A man knows. Teacher he is. Means for them the teacher was a screen. They were getting programs regarding different subjects. And here they are knowing about a man, a person. Means compared to the computer. So she was surprised also. And Tommy told, yes, my father knows as much as my teacher. Means Tommy's teacher. He knows almost as much I Bitach. Here Bitacha means, Betcha means, two pronunciations are there. Becha, Bitacha, you can, means betting, I can bet. मैं शर्त लगा के कहता हूँ कि ऐसा होगा. Some of our teacher used to say, शर्त लगाता हूँ 1st September से स्कूल चालू हो जाएगी. Betting we can say, सट्टा we can say. So he told, I can bet this, my father knows more. Margie wasn't prepared to dispute that. She said, I wouldn't want a strange man in my house to teach me. Margie, she told, no, I don't want a strange man coming here at my house and teaching. He's a person. Other lady here, gents. Tommy screamed with laughter. Tommy, he was laughing. He told, "You don't know much, Maggie. The teacher did not live in the house. They had a special building and all the kids went there." He told teacher he was not going to come. Yeah, he don't used to come to the particular house. There was a particular different place where all the students used to go as you all are coming in school. Like this. Right? वहाँ जाते school में they used to go. And all the kids learn the same thing. And all 9th standard my student used to learn the same thing in different languages. Sure, if they were the same age, say yes, they were about the same age. But my mother says a teacher has to be adjusted to fit the mind of each boy and girl. It teaches and that each kid has to be taught differently. As all of our teachers, we all used to face this problem. You know, 50, 54, yeah, 30, 34, yeah, even 10, yeah, even 2 students are there. And if a teacher teaches, he has to go through their mind also. So after it has been scientifically proven that you can concentrate for 45 minutes in the class. Next, something, if a teacher teaches for 40 minutes, yeah, half an hour, how much stress he get that he walks 10 kilometers. A person walks 10 kilometers. That physically a mental exercise is done by a teacher in your one period. It has been proven, scientifically it has been proven. Yet, just the same they didn't do it that way then. If you don't like it, you don't have to read the book. I didn't say I didn't like it. Maggie said quickly. She wanted to read about those funny schools. Then Tommy said, if you don't want to read, don't read here. Don't disturb me. Don't harass me. But Maggie told, no, I want to know about the school. They weren't even half finished when Maggie's mother called, Maggie, school. As like mummy is waking up us in a winter morning. Come on, you have to go to school. And what happened? We are in 2 warm blankets and mummy is saying, yes, wake up, you have to go to school. Like this, the same system happened with Maggie. She was reading and mummy shouted, Maggie, school. Maggie looked up, not yet, mama. No, not now. Now, said Mrs. Jones, and it's probably time for Tommy too. It was a time for Tommy too to go to school. Means go with this. Maggie said to Tommy, can I read the book some more with you after school? Maggie told, can I read this after school? Because she got interest in this thing. So, till yet, we are going to stop due to consumption, time consumes something, but read it. Imagine yourself with Maggie, yeah, Tommy, which type of particular schools, as we used to read in history, that Gurukuls were there. Many and lakhs of students have to recite everything. Even they have recited Ramayana, Mahabharata, Gita, Quran Sharif and many other things. So you can go how the strategy was working in ancient time. Today is the new world you are facing today, and what will be in future. You can go through it, try to read more and more in English. This will be hopeful, developed. Thank you very much.